Introducing the SMOK Nord Pod system. This handy device fits well in your hand and its size is perfect for stowing in your pocket. It is push button activated with an LED battery light indicator, which is great. Knowing when to recharge is important. The button takes some effort to press, making it difficult to auto fire in your pocket. That I love. The most innovative part of the Nord system is the Mesh Coil. Rated at 0.6 ohms for an open airflow direct to lung vaping experience, use this with traditional e-liquid. The other is a Kanthal wire coil rated for 1.4 ohms and delivers a clear flavor by way of a mouth-to-lung vape. Refilling is simple, with a rubber seal that is easy to access so you can replenish those replaceable pods. Vape like a revolutionary Viking with the SMOK Nord Pod system at Vape Wild today. See you next time. Dude, I'm telling you, man, this Nord Rainbow snakeskin finish, that's clean. Like it's shiny, but not so shiny that it's gonna blind me when I walk outside. This is just pretty. I mean, like pretty. Like when you walk outside to a beach and you see pretty people. It's just pretty. Oh, yeah, you should get one.